To install Gmail on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the App Store, or you can open it from the app library. Okay, in the App Store, tap on the search button. And in here, we're going to look for Gmail. So type in Gmail and tap on the search button. Next, go down and tap on the download button next to Gmail. Allow Gmail to download and install. After that, tap on open. Here, you need to sign in, so tap on the sign in button. And then select the account that you want to use. And then tap on done. Here, tap on allow, and that's it. So Gmail has been installed. And to use Gmail, simply just open it to start composing a new email, or you can browse for your emails. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, if you like and if you don't want to install a separate app, you can also add Gmail account to your mail app right here. So you can go into settings, and in settings, if you scroll down and look for the mail app, so in here we look at mail apps, and then go down and open up mail. And here tap on mail account, and from here tap on add account, and then simply put in your Gmail account. And that's it. Thank you for watching.